Today I'm visiting this fire truck again.
Every 10 a.m. Uh, we take this truck to go around District 7.
Oh,
So the engine will be conditioned. And then every 2 weeks, the water is drained
yeah.
and refilled with,
Yeah,
so to avoid
rust?
yeah.
Yeah, so do you have fire hydrants? Do you
Hy-
feel?
fire hydrants
Yeah.
on the street,
I mean, yeah, do you fill up in fire hydrants?
like this one.
Huh?
Fire hydrants just around the street.
Yeah. Yeah.
You want to see some example of a fire hydrant?
Yeah. I actually seen one of those things, you know.
When you see two poles like that, that's a fire hydrant.
Yeah.
Just beside the
Yeah.
street.
And there's like I saw another fire hydrant like the hatch. There's like a manhole that you open and you know you
Yeah,
hook up the
that
hose.
one.
Yeah.
There are two kinds. The one like the small metal thing like that.
Yeah.
Then the
Yeah,
the
that's the
manhole.
one that you may see at the USA and in Europe they have like fire hydrants manholes.
That's QRT fire truck driver.
Huh? He's the driver of the fire truck?
Yes.
Yeah.
Night and day, we change shift.
Yeah. Yeah. Can I go inside po? Please. I'm going inside the fire truck.
Kaninong gamit to nandito?
I'm huge in this thing. We got the helmets and another small fire extinguisher. Can I ask you something, bro? Do you, if the fire extinguishers run out, do you refill them?
That is check every month. So the expiration, I don't know if 1 year.
Yeah.
Then we change another
Yeah.
one.
Yeah, and then I know what this one is. That is the siren.
Siren. This one is sirens, mic, lights.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one is the
Yeah.
dead switch.
Yeah. And ito yung horn.
This is the horn.
Yeah.
Push.
Yeah.
Blinker. Extra extinguishers in case of small fire.
Yeah.
Hot, ready. The fire suit. Just hanging around.
Yeah.
The what's it? The boots.
Wow, these things are really nice. Wow, this is actually pretty nice. It's a bit tempting to like press the siren and stuff, but you know, I don't think they might allow that. So look here. Uh-oh. I might accidentally switch something. Hey, it's Sparky the Fire Dog. It's the Association of Filipino Volunteer Fire Brigades. Stuff. Yes, so it's probably from a volunteer fire department. Volunteer fire brigade of like, you know, the ones you may find in the Chinatown. I don't know where the fire suit is. I can only see the fire hats. I think the driver. Yeah, and then you see, sir, I just want to question you about like the sirens, po.
Yeah.
I have a question regarding the sirens, po. And
We can turn it on, sir, because we only turn it off in case of emergency.
yeah,
You cannot turn that off.
yeah.
It is prohibited.
Yeah, and then what is this for? Like, there's this little thing over there at the top.
Lights, searchlights.
Oh, really?
That one on the back.
Yeah. Cause I think when I was a kid, I think they turned on the siren when I was a kid, and then I forgot what it sounded like.
We cannot turn it
Yeah.
on.
Okay. Yeah, because I heard you've responded to like multiple fires, like the one from like Santiago.
Twice this month.
Oh.
Batangas South and San Juanico area.
Oh. Yeah, cause I couldn't see your fire truck po.
We also don't turn on the sirens inside. You can only use that outside the main road.
Oh, so yes. Maybe next time when you're like going on like a testing. Oh yeah. Yes, just going on this. Yeah, thank you po, sir. Yeah, sorry to bother you po.
Okay na, sir.
Just curious about what's in the fire truck. Close the door.
That is old model.
Yeah. So do you know where you bought the sirens? Yeah. You know where the siren is called? Like,
The sirens of mobiles like ambulance, mobile police car, and fire trucks are not all the same, sir.
yeah.
They all have different sounds. So while even if they're far away, you can know if that's an ambulance coming or a fire truck.
Yes, because what happens if they all have the same siren? Like the siren sounds like the same.
Where people will not be rattled like if they say you hear a fire truck sound, eventually you know
Yeah.
that there's a fire. And then if the ambulance sounds siren, you know there's an accident or something like that.
Yeah.
And the mobile, there's an emergency or police chase like that.
Yeah. Yes. Actually.
That's why they have different sounds.
Yeah, kasi-
If they all have the same sound, people will be confused what's happening. If
Yeah.
there's fire, emergency, or situation like that.
Alright. Yeah. Yes. So I actually know the like brands, siren brands. The brand. Sirens also have brands. They have Federal Signal. It's a siren brand from the U.S. and then the name of the siren there is like Elephant like Soundtech SA400 like 51 I think.
I think that's the system, sir. The computer system like that.
Yeah. So when do you test the sirens? When do you test them regularly for?
The sirens we don't really try it because you know it's very loud.
Yeah, it is really loud.
You can try. We did one time during the fire training,
Yeah.
fire rescue training in Aba. We
Okay.
tried it once. I think last November, December.
Well, that was the new fire truck po.
Yeah, no, this one in the Palawan. We have two fire trucks. Actually three. The other one is just a water supply.
Huh? Yeah.
We have a new one and that is part in Palawan.
Yeah. So when will you use this fire truck in the fire drill?
Usually 3 months.
Oh, maybe.
3 to 6 months. Yeah. But every day 10 o'clock. We use this to go around, so the condition of the
Uh,
engine is good.
oh yeah, so yeah, when you go around, you cannot use the siren.
No,
Yeah.
sir.
Oh. Oh yeah, so yeah, yeah, thank you po. Yes.